Good day and welcome to another WizzWatch. This is your host Marlin Rolle, and I have a few stocks to talk to you about as we prepare for August 31st, 2009, as well as the beginning of September. And September historically is one of the worst months to trade stocks, so please keep a look at Dow Jones Industrial Average, the Nasdaq, as well as the S&P for a possible pullback to the downside. The first stock out the gate, like I mentioned, is stock symbol UDR. That's United Dominion Realty Trust, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look at this stock in the volume area, we did see increasing volume coming to the price of the stock, as the stock ended the day with heavier than average volume of about 3.7 million, and the average daily volume was 3.37 million. And also we are looking for a price move, a price break right here above the pivot point at about $13.20 to $13.25, and the stock ended the day on Friday trading at $13.09, up 15 cents, or 1.16% to the upside. The next stock to keep a close watch on for a possible price move to the upside is stock symbol FRNTQ. That's Frontier Airlines Holdings, which trades on the pink sheets. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you will notice that we had lighter than average volume coming to the stock on Friday, and the average daily volume was about 2.76 million, as the stock ended with about 1.5 million volume. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock, and also we need to see a break of the pivot point right here between 18 cents to 20 cents in order to lift this stock higher. But the stock started out the week at about 7 cents and ended up about 21 cents before pulling back to close on Friday at 15 cents, which was about a 200% price gain from the 7-point price move to the upside. But the stock did end the day trading at 15 cents, up 1 cent, or 7.14% on the upside. Next up is stock symbol ULU, that's Uluru, which trades on the Amex. And if you have a close look at this chart, right here in the volume area, the stock has basically moved to the upside on Friday with heavier than average volume, about double the average daily volume of about 1.82 million, and end of the day with volume of about 6.03 million. And what we're looking for is a price break above the pivot point between 21 cents to 24 cents in order to take the stock higher as it crossed above its 5 and 10 day moving average. But there is a possibility that we may see a pullback to the 18 cents area, which will be about a 50% retracement before the stocks move higher. But like I mentioned, please keep the stock on your watch list for a break of the pivot point between 21 cents and 24 cents before it continues to move higher. But the stock did end the day trading on Friday at 19 cents, up 2 cents, or 17.61% on the upside. The next stock to keep a close watch on for a possible move to the upside and trading on the 31st, which is Monday, is stock symbol FNM. That's Federal National Mortgage, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you notice that the stock has basically been increasing volume, and the volume on Friday was basically above the average daily at 406 million, and the average daily volume was 286 million. And we are looking for a price break right here above the closing price on Friday at about $2.05 to $2.10 in order to take this stock a lot higher. And the stock did end the day trading at $2.04, up 12 cents, or 6.25% to the upside. So please keep Federal National Mortgage, that stock symbol again, FNM, on your watch list for a possible price move to the upside. Last but not least is stock symbol BAC. That's Bank of America Corp, which trades on the New York Stock Exchange. And if you have a close look in the volume area, you notice that the stock ended the day trading with lighter than average volume to the upside of about 187.8 million, but the average daily volume for Bank of America is about 262.4 million. So we need to see heavier than average volume coming to the price of the stock. And what we are looking for is a break of the pivot point between $18.05 to $18.10 in order to take this stock a lot higher. Bank of America ended trading on Friday at $17.98, up 6 cents, or 0.33% on the upside. So please keep Bank of America as well as the other stocks that I mentioned on your watch list for possible price moves to the upside. This has been another WizzWatch. Thank you again for listening. Have a great day and happy trading.